Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share the best order flow trading software or the platform that you can use for forex or crypto pairs. The best thing about this software is its interface. Yes, the interface of this software is very good and very beginner friendly. And you can use this software in your PC and even on the mobile phone. And there are many software available in the market which provide the order flow trading facility, but the setup and the cost of those softwares are very high compared to this software. Apart from this software also providing some premium features like volume profile, Ranko chart, and multi-chart layout for free. And these features are not easily available and accessible to other charting software. So I'm going to explain some premium features that you can use for free with the help of this website or this platform. Most of the features are free to use. Only order flow is a premium feature and there is a very low fee which is under 16 USD. And if you need order flow, then I will provide the link in the description and you can use that link for 20% discount and you can use order flow. So let me introduce you to this software. This is the software. This is gocharting.com. And if you have gone through my uh, order flow trading software strategy, then you already know about the power of order flow. So this is how the order flow looks like. So as you can see, currently we are looking at this symbol, the gold XAUUSD, and this is the order flow. As you can see in this side, we have imbalance and this is buying imbalance. And after this, you can see we have a good buy move. So order flow, I already uploaded some video. If you need the introduction and if you need the method, you can check those video from the playlist. I will drop the link in the description. Now let me share the premium feature that you can use for free. You do not need to spend any penny with the help of this software. So let me show you. So let's start with the most powerful one, the volume profile. So as you can see, this is the software and this is the platform. This looks like this. So this is the live chart you can see, and this is the indicator section. When you click over here and you type volume profile, this is the volume profile that is available for free, and you can use this indicator for free with the help of this platform. So when we click on this, this is actually the visible range volume profile, and you can see if we zoom into the chart and zoom in, and then you can see we have the volume profile available for free. You can see this is 3-minute chart. You can use an interval as per your preference. So if we switch to 15-minute, you can see this is the volume profile, and with the help of volume profile, you already know that this is very good feature. You can find easily big uh, high volume traded area that you can use for support resistance. So you can use volume profile free with this software. The next one, the premium feature that most of the trading software not provide in their charting software, and they generally charge for that, is the Renko chart. So this is the candlestick chart, normal candlestick chart. You can see you can use this for free. And the next one that I'm going to explain is like this is the chart type and this is the candlestick. You already know the about the candlestick, but if you want to see the Renko, this one is the Renko chart. So this is how the Renko chart looks like. It generally filter out the noise and it help you to ride the way. Like if you want to enter at particular point like this, and then you want to know where you have to exist, like you where you want to go with the trend. If you want to follow the trend, you just have to look at the Renko. It filter the noise and it ignore the small like red candles you see in the chart. As you can see from here to here, this is a good buy move and you can ride the trend. Of course, you know, you should know the price action, then you only can enter in the buy and sell. But this is how the Renko candlestick, or you can say the Renko chart looks like. So this is also a premium feature and most of the trading software not provide this for free, but in this software you can use the Renko for free. The other feature is the bar replay, sorry. So if we switch to the candlestick and if we want to test some strategy and if we want to check any indicator how it behaved in the past, so you just have to click on the replay, and whenever from where you want to start you just have to double click and just play this. So you can see the bar replay feature is also free with this software and not available in other softwares. So this is also a good feature you can check and you can use in trading. The other feature you can use is the premium feature that you can use for free is this multi-chart layout. So if you want to check two symbol in single window or four symbol, you can use this feature. So as you can see, this is the multi-chart layout and you can use any two symbol, like this is the one that I'm using, and for this you can use, like if I want to check euro USD, you can check like this. So you can see we can see two symbols, like this is XAUUSD and this is euro USD. So you can use two chart or four chart, and there is a multiple option available here, so you can select with as per your screen size and as per your convenience. So these are the free feature, these are the premium feature that you can use for free. And the most important feature and the most valuable, of course, is the imbalance one that I already told you. So for imbalance, you just have to head over to this one here, chart type, and you just have to click and select the imbalance. So this is the imbalance, and you can see we can see inside the candlestick, and you can see the orders. So this help you to find good buying and selling levels and good buying and selling volume, so that you can use those entries for scalping. I will explain more about the settings and the interface in next video, but this is the very beginner friendly and very basic introduction video of this software and this platform. So you can use those feature for free, but if you need order flow, you have to pay a very low amount of fee and you can use this feature, and this feature is very good if you want to catch good buy and sell moves. So you can use this software, and if you have any question, and you can ask me in the comment section, and you can contact me on Telegram also. So we'll discuss more about this software and the feature, and I also explain the method for order flow with the help of this software in next video. So see you in next video. Thank you.